Hello everyone! How are you to find out? So, quick share ko lang that I've been trying this Slim Fair Graviola Beauty Mix for the past 5 days and honestly, hindi ko talaga ina-expect na magugustuhan ko siya considering na guyabano yung flavor niya. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito is no sugar added siya. So, pasok sa banga dun sa mga nagda-diet like me. Char diet! Yes guys! OMAD malala tayo lately. So, pasok siya sa banga, especially dun sa mga nagka-calorie deficit. So this one of those drinks na madali lang isingit sa routine, hindi pilit, hindi siya hype, and it's just feels so good. I usually drink it before meals, cold water lang, minsan may ice pa, super refreshing. Hindi siya matamis, which I love talaga. Hindi talaga siya super tamis. Yung sakto lang, guyabanong fruit talaga, ganon. Promise, masarap siya. Hindi yung synthetic na guyabano flavor. Like, guyabano na guyabano fruit talaga. Yun talaga yung lasa niya. So, after 5 days, napansin ko mas magaan yung tiyan ko, less bloated, and my skin looks more calm. Calm? Sino ka dyan? Yung seryoso guys, yung parang may glow kahit puyat ako. Kasi considering na December ngayon madaming invite, so late na tayong nakaka-uwi, so puyat malala. So, if you're into inner glow, gut health, and simple daily rituals, this might be worth trying too. So, I'll definitely continue using it, and if you want to order, please click the link below. Thank you!